The court documents are out and Brianna Olsen is cooked. 2K has spent almost $200,000 while trying to see his son, and everything that Bri has ever done online regarding 2K, his mother, and Winter is literally being brought up. Let this be a lesson that anything that you do on the internet can and will be used against you. So let's get into it. First, for those of you that aren't caught up on the lore, I'm going to give you a very quick timeline of this insane custody case that has literally captivated thousands of people on this app. Then I'm going to read you a list of evidence that 2K has gathered against his co-parent Brianna Olsen, which the digital footprint is crazy. Last, I'm going to tell you what 2K is hoping to win out of this situation, of course to benefit Winter, because he's the one who matters at the end of all of this. This is a long one, so buckle up and press 2x speed if you have to. Santos, if you're seeing this, stay out of my DMs. Let's start with a really quick recap. On April 26, 2024, Winter was born. On April 30th, 2024, 2K filed for sole legal custody of Winter. Now, even though he filed for custody in April, 2K wasn't able to see Winter until June 2024 because Brianna was keeping Winter away from him. They were co-parenting really good, but Brianna had to start traveling more, she had to start partying more, so 2K pretty much had sole custody of Winter from July to October 2024 when he was officially granted sole physical and legal custody of Winter by the courts. Brianna was then issued a 1-week visitation period per month, which is pretty much how she became viral on this app, because what kind of mother sees their son for 7 days out of the week, right? After everything that she did online, she was granted supervised visits. Up until now, she's pretty much only used 2 hours a day, and sometimes she hasn't even used the entire week. She claims that the reason for this is because it's super expensive, but at the same time, she flaunts her wealth online. Girl, we know you're not broke, you're just selfish. She's also made a big deal about attending doctor's visits. She is granted the ability to attend those. She never attended a single one, so you take from that what you will. They also have no talk support in order, and he isn't requesting any. He said he's good. Now let's move on to the evidence that 2K and his attorney have gathered to support him gaining full custody of Winter. This couldn't have been any easier for him, as his co-parent has one of the worst digital footprints in history. So number one, we're going to go quick. The DVRO was requested and filed on May 3rd, 2024, and it was dismissed. The temporary DVRO was issued finally on May 27, 2025. He has several emails exchanged between him and Brianna, his attorney and Brianna. He has multiple TikToks and Snapchats where Brianna is saying she's going to do things to 2K, his mom, saying she's going to beat them up, questioning his sexuality. Her partner is saying that he's going to beat them up. He has TikToks and videos of Brianna being in a fight and verbal altercations. He has footage of her saying things on the Single Mom Attorney podcast. Literally anything that we've ever seen from Brianna on the internet is listed on this